Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you through how to delete an account from your Dstv Now account. For example, you can be having like 4 and you want to add another one, but it is failing. So this is what you are going to do. So you must be having your Dstv Now application and you must be already logged in. So what you have to do is to come to your Dstv Now account. And this is how it will look like. This is my Dstv Now account. You have to watch up to the end of the video to know of each and every step on how to remove this account. So you'll be able to see this interface. It is like this. It will have home, live TV, catch up, downloads, and more. So what you have to do is to click on the more part. After finishing on the more part, as you see up here, these are the profiles I have, and these are the different accounts I have from different places. I have on my TV, on my phone, for my friend and my other friends. So if you want to remove any of these accounts from your Dstv Now, you want to add another account, so what you have to do is to click on your settings, and from your settings you have to click manage devices. When you go to manage devices, this is how it will show. So for me, I have like 4 accounts, so I have to remove one of these accounts. For example, I can remove iPhone, Skyward, this is my TV, my device, this is Samsung S20 Ultra. So what you can do is to click remove. After clicking remove, you can then click confirm. After clicking confirm, as you can see here, it has been removed. So I have 3 devices. Registration, I'm remaining with 1, and removes, I'm remaining with 2. I can remain with only 1 account per application. Thank you so much. That is it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos.